This video is to practice using 的时候, which means when or while in Chinese. So here we have a woman who eats while she watches TV. 她吃饭的时候看电视. So we have the first verb, 吃饭, while she eats. She 看电视, she watches TV. So the while comes in between. So I could ask you, 你吃饭的时候看电视吗? Now for me, I often 吃饭的时候看电视, but more often, 我吃饭的时候看手机. 你呢? 你吃饭的时候看手机吗? He sings while he showers. So how would we say, while he showers, he sings? 他洗澡的时候唱歌. Why in that sentence does 洗澡 come first? Why couldn't we say, 他唱歌的时候洗澡? Because if we said that, what we would be implying in that every time he sings, he showers. So he has some sort of floating shower floating around him, and every time he bursts into song, it starts raining on him. Right? So you have to think about almost cause and effect. Which one happens when you want it to happen? So in the previous example, we said 她吃饭的时候看电视. When she eats, she watches TV. So when she eats, she makes the decision to watch TV. It could be the other way around. 她看电视的时候吃饭. Whenever she watches TV, she eats. A lot of people do that too. But the meaning is slightly different. How would we say, when she sleeps, she listens to music? 她睡觉的时候听音乐. How would we say, when he does homework, he listens to music? 他做功课的时候听音乐. 那你呢? 你做功课的时候听音乐吗? How would we say, when she exercises, she listens to music? 她运动的时候听音乐. 那你呢? 你运动的时候听音乐吗? Alright, now we're going to use a sentence pattern to talk about 老师为什么生我的气? 生气 means get angry. It's literally give birth to air. 生气. So you could say 我生气, I am angry. If you're angry at someone, you give birth to that person's air. So if you're angry at your mom, you would say 我生妈妈的气. And if you're angry at your dad, you would say what? 我生爸爸的气. And in this situation, 老师生我的气. Teacher is angry at me. We're going to make sentences about why. And we're going to say 上课的时候. 上课 is attend class. So this sentence, while you attend class, you're going to do something else. And that will irritate the teacher. For example, 他上课的时候做什么? 他上课的时候吃饭. 他们上课的时候做什么? 他们上课的时候说话. 他上课的时候做什么? 他上课的时候玩游戏. 他上课的时候做什么? 他上课的时候睡觉. 他上课的时候做什么? 他上课的时候听音乐.